Which way to Barbados, boys?
This is your captain speaking. We are coming into Tenerife at approximately 18:05, 100 hours local time.
We're on the ferry over to La Gomera and it's really exciting. And we're told that when we get off the ferry, the other end, we're going to see our boat almost immediately. So we're all really excited. Can't wait to get there. The sun's shining. It's all good. These are the cliffs that we'll be rowing past at the start of the race. I've seen lots of videos of it and it's really cool to see them in real life.
This is home for the next 2.5 weeks. Arrived at the boat. First order of the day. Shirts off.
Yes, on this.
Tanning.
Boat looks a little grubby, but absolutely fine.
Our website on there. And you can follow up on that.
Got a lot of work to do over the next couple of weeks. That's the start. Over there, that's where we arrived in, on the pier. And the mountains go all the way up St Sebastian, La Gomera.
Applying decals.
Wet food, dry food. What's going on, Rossi?
We are making our food packs. I'm in charge. 3 main meals. We've got a wet meal, 2 dried meals, and then you're doing desserts and pairing and all that jazz. I actually don't know what you're doing that well.
I'm doing breakfast.
Breakfast.
Most important meal of the day.
We've done 40 packets so far, and we've got another 200 to go. And we've taken how many? When did we start this? 9 o'clock this morning. I think we're getting all.
We've been unpacking.
Yeah.
Big job.
Been relatively
We've got a lot
ridiculous.
of work to do. So don't interrupt me.
So we're here. 6 o'clock. Just finished all the food, and we have scrutineering tomorrow, so that's all ready. And we
242 packets.
We have supposed.
We've been at the boat all day. Past scrutineering, but for a few small things that need to get done from Simon. And then we're going to go in the water first thing tomorrow.
She floats. It's great.
Start. It's the best possible news.
Yeah, it is all.
Woohoo! Bravo! Okay, I take great pleasure in naming this boat the Spinal Frontier. Hey! Woohoo! On the stern cabin. Stern cabin. Here's everyone else over here, preparing. That's us on the water, looking pretty small compared to everyone else.
Welcome to our first disaster. Too much food to go in all the holes. I'm trying to make it sound more dramatic for the viewers at home. It's as bad as a hole in a boat.
Don't look at me, I'm so fat.